Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am so excited. The Pages digital kit, Christmas Pages digital kit is finished and in my Etsy shop. So this kit includes 4 JPEG images and a zip file full of, 7 images. So here I've taken the 7 images and printed them at wallet size. So let me show you really quick. You're going to get the granny quilt. So this is actually the quilt that I made with my grandma when I was like 5 or 6 years old. And all of these pieces, these squares, were dresses, pieces of material from the scraps of dresses that me and my sister had, that my mom and my grandmother had made for us. So this I think will make a great, it can be, you can use it for a page. You'll be able to cut it up and use it for, I cut it wallet size and made tags for one of my projects. So I have this paper. This was the inside of one of my music books that are from the 1800s, and it looks like holly. So I think it's going to be really fun to use. Then I have this ephemera page. So you get the Bank of Happiness from 1900 something. It's delivered to 366 days of health, wealth, and prosperity. So that's, you get an extra day. And then this paper, and then it has the Santa, and then on a receipt as well. This is Christmas chimes music. This is the Christmas collage that I made. And I think that's a really fun page. So, and it can be, you know, you can print this at 5 by 7, and it can be a page. You know, the whole image can be a page in your project. Excuse me. Or you can do it postcard size, the 3.5 by 5 or 4 by 6, and have this image at postcard size. So this is another image that I did, and I think it'll make a great, it can be a page. You can, I mean, I can see that you still get a nice Christmassy look over here. Oh, these are the, okay, come back here. Sorry about that. These are the regular images that you're going to get. You're going to get the quilt, the holly leaves, the ephemera, and the music. So they are in their original state. And then this is the zip file. So you get the collage page, you get the holly in the basket page, you'll get the ephemera, and it's done to match, it's lightened so it matches these pages. You get the poinsettia scarf. You get the quilt, and now it has the color has been changed a little, and the vignette has been done around the outside. You get the Christmas music, again with vignette around the outside, just to kind of soften it. The holly leaf page, softened. And so that is your pages kit. You get a total of 11 pages. Again, you get the 4 regular pages, and then the 7 pages in the zip file. So, and then you'll be able, and I did JPEGs, so you will be able to edit them, and you can go ahead and print them in all the different sizes, which is, you know, one of my favorite things about these kits is being able to use this as the page or as a background page for another, you know, like I did in the Paris journal, where I had an image on one side, and then I put this type of an image on the back. So this will be a background paper that you'll be able to use. So I think that this is going to be a really fun kit, and it is available now in my Etsy shop. So my Etsy shop link will be down below. It'll take you directly to this kit, and sorry I didn't get it done in Christmas in July, so I guess this is Christmas in August. It's amazing August. And I finally got it done. My computer is talking to my printer today, so that's why I was able to get it done. Hooray! Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.